Yeah, well, it's great to be pouring our first gold bars from Phillips Find. What it means to us is sort of proof of concept and that we're now bringing cash back into the business. And this is on the back of pouring first gold bars from our Boorara project as well. So now we're pouring gold on two fronts from two projects and bringing that cash back into the business. So from a larger perspective, it's proof of the concept that we can actually get projects approved and developed and gives us kudos towards moving our strategy of becoming an emerging mid-tier gold producer. Yes, we've put into the market that our Boorara project makes $30 million, and that's at a gold price of $3,600 an ounce Australian. So obviously the gold price is well north of that at the moment. So with our Boorara and Phillips Find projects, we aim to make in excess of $50 million over the next 16 months or so. The current configuration of the Black Swan plant is two mills that are in line that can generate 2.2 million tonnes of nickel ore. We only need to upgrade one of those mills with our softer ore blend of gold ore to get it to 1.5 million tonnes per annum. So we have a very large resource base of 30 million tonnes at 1.8 grams a tonne for 1.8 million ounces. So we've got a lot of tonnes that we can feed through that plant. And we also have our key Boorara and Burbanks assets that make up half of our resource book. So we've got over 16 projects that can fill that plant. Yeah, currently when toll treating, you're usually paying $25 to $35 a tonne more through third-party processing. So through our own mill at that run rate of 1.5 million tonnes per annum, saving say $30 a tonne results in annual savings of $45 million a year. So very value accretive and very heavy on the cost savings by running it through our own plant.